Hi, this is Devanshu, and in this video I'm going to cover Hootsuite application. And for those who are not aware what is Hootsuite, Hootsuite is a social media management tool. Let's get into Hootsuite and learn more about it. Okay, when you log in to Hootsuite Android application, there you can see these typical features are available over here. There is a stream, publisher, and we are going to talk about compose and inbox. Then there is account, which is a basic where your login details, basic settings are available over there. So we are going to focus over what are stream, how you can schedule your post, how you can compose a new message, and how you can keep a track of all these messages under publisher and inbox. So let's check this out. There you can see this is a home feed, which is known as a streams over here. So you can find different streams that I have added. Here is a Twitter account. There you can see there is another Insta account. Then there is a LinkedIn account. There is a mention I am tracking of Twitter. There you can see Facebook page is there. There are multiple Facebook pages are available over there that I have added. So what other options are there? So at the top you can see my post and mention. Just click over it. Once I click over it, there you can see different tabs are available of LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, etc. that I have added. So let's check out manage tabs and stream. So what I can do here, I can manage everything. I can manage order of it. If I want to keep it here or there, that I can arrange from here. I can create multiple tabs. So just click over plus icon. So let's say let me name it what I'm going to add here. So let's say I want to keep a track of hashtags. Done. Added. Now I can add one stream to this. So there you can see all the social media platforms are available over here that I have added, already linked to Hootsuite. So these are available over here. I can add YouTube feed, I can add Instagram account, etc over here. So but what I am going to do, I am going to quickly add all these options are available, whether I want to track like, retweet, etc. So there is a list option also available over here. So if I want to keep a track of some specific industry, I can add those people whom I want to track and add them to list. So I can track this list over here. But what I am going to do, I am going to quickly keep a track of hashtag. So let's say I want to know what people are posting using this. So this is a very generic hashtag, but you can always add your brand hashtag and listen to what people are saying. So where is it available? Click over here. Here you can see hashtag. When I click over here, you can see there is so you can see what people are posting in Imphal. They have used this lockdown hashtag. There you can see all these hashtags which are available. So this is how you can keep a track of your branded hashtags. You can add them here and keep a track of these hashtags. Let me go back. Then likewise you can see here I have added my Twitter account. If I want to go to my Twitter, I want to like any comment or revert here, I can do that. Like I can add anything over here. So this is how I can keep a track of it. So it's a pretty amazing tool. What in nutshell, you shall be able to manage all the social media platform by using a single application. I have added more than 8 pages or platforms, and I am able to manage all the platforms using this application. So this application, all these features are part of premium package, and at this moment you can get premium plan for free. I had shared one video last week. You can check out that video. I have mentioned all the steps how you can claim professional plan for free of course of Hootsuite, which costs somewhere around 2000 rupees or worth of 2000 rupees in Indian rupees, and it costs like 29 US dollars per month for the professional plan. Okay, so let us check out some more cool options over here. So I have just shown you all these features over here. If I want to let's say add anything else that I can do, so maybe I'll come back here. Let's check out the publisher. So this is a place here you can keep a track of. So I have not scheduled anything today, so you can see like nothing is available over there. You can this is how. So I have not literally scheduled anything in this week. When I have scheduled, I can click over here and check out all the stuff that I have scheduled. So next tweet and one Facebook post has been scheduled on 17th of May. Then I can check out draft. If there is anything pending over here, I can edit it and then schedule it. So this is a pretty interesting stuff here. Then you want to schedule anything, go to compose, just write your message here, write your caption over here, add your social media platform wherever you want to post. Let's say I want to post over both Instagram, LinkedIn, maybe Facebook. I can choose all these platforms from here, right? So once I done, go back, it will also show you the number of characters that you can use. And let's say if I want to use any specific link, let's say let me add google.com, and I want to shorten. At time you might be using longer links, so if you want to shorten them, there is a link shortener available over here. So since Google is a very short URL, it has in fact increased, but at times it is pretty useful when you are using longer URL, so it will compress it under 23 characters only. You can add location, you can add photograph. So let's say, so it will show you from camera roll. You want to add from there, you can add. So you want to add any Ziffy, you can search over here. So let's say let me search for something cool. Let's see what is there, and here you can see there are some cool Ziffys over here. You can check out images also images available here for free of course. So let me randomly choose one. This one looks pretty good. Okay, so this is how now what I can do. I can go ahead and add the caption and details of this post. I want to add a location, I can do that as well. Go to next, and since I need to change some few things, I'll choose to continue. And once I continue here, options of send and auto schedule and custom schedules are available over here. So the error it is showing, since you cannot publish links of course over Instagram, these are not clickable, so it is just showing one warning, that's all. And if I want to send now, I can click over it. If I want to auto schedule it, it will get scheduled automatically. If I want to customize it, I can use custom option. So here I have to choose a specific date. Since I have not added a lot of detail, I'll cancel it and I'll proceed, and I can save it as a draft, and I can edit it later on and post it. So this is publisher and planner. This is planner, this is draft. So these are part of publisher. Compose message I have shown you. Then there is a inbox. So just in case if you have any social media messages of whether it is your Facebook page or your Twitter DMs, you can address everything. So there is a none, since I have just reverted to these DMs. You can check out the done ones. So whatever the message I have done, you can check out them here. Okay, so these are some pretty amazing options available in Hootsuite. And just in case you have not checked out how to get a pro plan for free, you can check out the video that I had posted last week. I'll share the link. So that's all. I hope you like this video, and if you are liking this content, you can check out a few more videos available on this channel. You can support me by subscribing and leaving a comment below. Thank you. Bye bye. Just let me know what other topic or tool you want me to cover. Just let me know in comments. Thank you.